Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to TJ's Beauty Bag. I am TJ, the curvy chick, and today I have my Allure beauty box to unveil for you. For those of you who don't know, the Allure beauty box is a monthly beauty subscription that costs $15 a month. And with that $15, you will get 5 to 7 sample and or full-size items. Quite often I get full-size, and I have been really impressed with this particular subscription box. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Each month we get a little plastic bag, makeup bag like that, various colors. And let's just take this out, and there's our pamphlet. So we have a little pamphlet each month. It looks like a little mini magazine, Allure magazine, and inside here you will find all of the products that are in your bag, and it tells a little bit about each product and gives you the MSRP, and it also gives you information about where to go and get those products, whether it is online or in a store like Ulta or Sephora. And they also often give promo codes. As you can see, there's a little box at the top that says that this does contain some promo codes so that you can get a percentage off of your online purchases. So let's dive in and see what we have. I do keep these bags for various different things. They're great for when you travel to separate your cosmetics or what have you. They're also great for just storing anything you feel like storing in and around your home, like pencils and things like that. They're great for the kids. So there's just an idea for you to keep those. They also work out great for when you have guests. You can make little sachets full of items for your guests to use while they're in your home. So let's take everything out and dive in. So we'll go according to our little pamphlet here. And the very first item is the Brow Gal Eyebrow Pencil. Okay, so that is this one right here. So this is obviously a full-size pencil. So that's wonderful. So this sells for $23. So already this one item has paid for the bag for the month. So that's really awesome. So we have on this side, there's a little sharpener, which is really great. So we've got a wooden pencil. And this is in what color? Let's see. I can't tell if this is, okay, this is medium brown number 4. So medium brown number 4 is what I have. And I'm just gonna swatch that right here. And it's got a really nice smooth feel to it. It doesn't drag across my skin, which can be kind of painful when you're working around the eye. But that is a very smooth formula, and it doesn't seem to smudge out really well, which I kind of like that. So it's a stay put formula. That's awesome. And on the other end here, we have a spoolie so that you can work that into the brow. That is awesome. I love that. So again, this is the Brow Gal Eyebrow Pencil that sells for $23. Awesome. I'm excited already. I love getting mascaras and eyeliners and brow products because those are things that I use quite often, almost daily actually. So the next item in here is a Moroccan Oil Treatment. Let's see. This is for your hair, and it normally sells the full size for $44, and it is available at Sephora. So that is the information that's right down there. And let's take a look. So we have this bottle, and this is 10 mLs of the Moroccan Oil Treatment, and you're going to be putting this on the hair. Wow. It's very fragrant. It has a beautiful smell to it. And so let's see, this writing on here is really tiny. It says apply a small amount throughout the hair. You're just going to kind of rub it through either damp or wet hair, and then style as usual. I do like that. I like the fact that we've got a hair product. I love it. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. I have kind of dry hair most of the time, and especially in the summertime, so it'll be really nice to have something that's really moisturizing like that. All right, the next thing we have is the Avani. I want to say that's the Avani Thermal Spring Water. This is a soothing and softening spray. And this is a hydrating facial mist that you can put in your purse. So this is really great. And it is fragrance free. So it's good for sensitive skin. It's a nourishing formula. This is awesome. And this sells for the full size, it sells for $18.50. And they do have the Allure 20 promo code, so you can go on the Avani, AVENE, USA.com website to get that. And here that is. This is really nice to have in your purse. So just kind of freshen up during the course of the day. I really like this. I'm not going to open this. I want to save this definitely, but I will most assuredly use this. It does get pretty warm here in the summertime, so on the days when I'm out and about and just need a little refreshing, this will come in handy. I am excited about that. That is a product that I probably would not have looked for or even thought of to buy for myself, so I'm excited about that. The next thing we have is by a company called Floss Cosmetics. And so you can go to flosscosmetics.com and use Allure 15, all caps, Allure and then the number 15 for a 15% discount. This is a full-size lip gloss and this sells for $16. So we already have 2 full-size products here. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Now this is Floss Gloss, that's what it says, and this will be your new favorite lip gloss. The formula is thin, so it feels lightweight and comfortable on your lips. The doe foot applicator spreads the gloss on easily without creating a sticky mess. So this is really nice. I like the fact that it's in a tube. This is really different, and so it does say that it's thin, and I can already see that. And this has got mega shine. So definitely you can wear this alone or over your favorite lip product. And I am a gloss gal for sure. So this is awesome. Again, this sells for $16. And I am really excited because we already have 2 full-size products in here. And I totally wasn't expecting that. The next product is for your skin. And this is called the Content Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Context, excuse me. There we are. Context. There we go. And this is a vitamin C eye cream. And oh, it's really more like a serum than a cream. As you can see that little dot there. Oh, that's really, really, really lightweight. That's it. And so that's going to dry down. But that feels really nice. So it says that it has a slightly cooling sensation, is great for irritated eyes and midday touch-ups. It does not get crusty or flaky as the day wears on. Thank you for that. And it does contain vitamin C and vitamin E and antioxidants. And these particular items guard against hyperpigmentation, and they build collagen, which is really important. I'm 49 years old, and as we get older, we tend to lose a lot of our collagen production. So products like this are very important for our skincare, and I am really, really excited that this is in here. And this is 15 ml, so this is half an ounce. And the full size sells for $35, and I'm kind of thinking this is actually a full size. And yes, this is a full size. So this is the 3rd full size product that we have. This is a $35 value. The gloss was $16, and the eyebrow pencil was $23. So that's a really, really great haul. And we still have one more item, and that is the Do It All Dry Shampoo by, it's SGX NYC. Okay. And this I know has a fragrance. I've smelled this before. I have a friend that uses this all the time. So this is to add volume and refresh the hair. It also gives a little bit of hold. So this is like, it says on the can, it says this is like a dry shampoo meets hairspray. So this is a 3-in-1 do-it-all refresher, volumizing, dry shampoo, and hairspray all in one. I love it. That is a great product. I don't know that I would use this all the time, but I'm definitely willing to try it for days that when I wear my hair down. I am always prone to the humidity outside, and I live in the Midwest, so it does get kind of humid in the summertime, and I may fix my hair and look great when I walk out the door, but 30-40 minutes later, after being in the humidity, I look like a tumbleweed. So I'm very excited to try this out, and hopefully this will be a big help. I am really loving this box. I'm so excited about the Allure box. We get great brands and great value every month. I have been able to try a lot of different products, and I'm so happy with it. So if you like this video, please hit the subscription button and the like button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new content. I will make sure to link Allure's website so that you can order your own Allure beauty box in the description box below, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you already get the box, and are we box twins? I will see you in my next video. Have a great weekend.